This this is the boat and river problem in 2019. The speed of swimmer is given in still water as 20 meter per second, and the speed of the river water is 10 meter per second. River water is flowing at less speed than the swimmer, and it's flowing due east. So let's first make the direction. So if this is east, then this is west, and river is flowing in the east direction. If he is standing on the south bank, let us say this is the south bank, this is the north bank, and wishes to cross the river along the shortest path. What does that mean? If he starts crossing like this, then the flow of the river is going to make him drift towards a little toward the right hand side. So what he needs to do is he needs to swim a little angle like this with respect to, let's say, north at an angle of theta. And because he will try to swim, if he swims like this, then a part of this the river velocity will try to make him drift, and the condition that we have is such that he should drift in such a way that we will reach here. What is the condition that he will reach exactly at this point? The condition is this. Let us say this is the component of this river velocity. We are seeing the river velocity in this direction, and this is, let us say, his velocity is given as 10 meter per second, 20 meter per second, and the river velocity is 10 meter per second. If I take I resolve it in two components. This one is 20 cos theta and this one is 20 sin theta. Now with this velocity 20 cos theta is trying to cross the river perpendicular to it, and with this velocity is used to balance the river. There is a river velocity. Now if this horizontal component becomes greater than the river velocity, that means he is overpowering the river flow and he will actually land a little left to the north. If this velocity, this horizontal velocity, is too little, the river is overpowering the swimmer. In that case he will land a little right to this opposite point. So the condition that he reaches exactly here is that these two velocities will balance here. That means our condition is that 20 sin theta has to be equal to 10, or sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. That theta is equal to 30 degree, which means the angle has to be 30 degree west of north, and that's why we should have this answer number 1 as good. Please check all my answers on SC Verma river boat problem, and I also should have a lecture on the river boat problems in kinematics.